Hello guys, nice to see you. This is Judy from HOMELAND. Every month we will share our hot items furniture. If you want to find high quality with good design furniture, please follow us and watch our small video. Today I want to show you about top 5 of dining table. Let's go. The suspension dining table that is a unique design and shape. It is finished with 2-layer tempered glasses and stainless steel legs. It is relaxed but very stable. The bridge dining table that is shaped with safe cornice angle. It is finished with ceramic that will be easy to clean and crash proof. Also, it is high temperature resistance. The unique dining table top is finished with natural marble with soft and nice texture. Special bases easily to combine with more chairs. That will be good for family to get together. The top 2 is the Nantan dining table. Top is finished with Lawrence black ceramic. The bases present reunion. It's in regular shape with high quality painting. That makes the dining table very great, good design and shape. You must want to know, top 1 is the Gallery dining table. The masterwork of minimalist design. It's finished with solid wood necks and round corner shape with safe design. Knit the table with more home and modern elements. Thanks for watching today. If you want to learn more about other products, please leave a message to us. And if you want to get more professional furniture information, please follow us and watch our small video.